Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Zoe.
And my name is Selena. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Panthers, any student and or teacher interested in participating in a Puerto Rican parade on September 23rd, please contact Mrs. Villas.
Send her an email or stop by our classroom room 5204 to sign up and share your ideas.
Let's join the STEP team and bring a piece of heritage to the Palm Bay street celebrating with our Puerto Rican neighbors.
Students, the 2023 homecoming dance is coming up quickly. This year's dance is themed in Night in Wonderland. The dance will be held on Saturday, September 23rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at Heritage.
The cost for tickets is $25 and will be sold on campus. Starting tickets are now on sale for seniors and juniors. Sales will continue until the 22nd or until sold out.
Sophomores and freshmen can start buying homecoming tickets next week.
Panthers Spirit Week is next week. Please listen to the day and the theme for the week.
Monday, September 18th, Bikers vs. Surfers. Tuesday, September 19th, Anything But a Backpack. Wednesday, September 20th, Barbie vs. Ken. Thursday, September 21st, Barbecue Dad vs. Soccer Mom. Friday, September 22nd, Class Colors. Freshmen are white, sophomores are gray, juniors are blue, and seniors are black.
A shout out to our varsity team who will travel tonight to play Oviedo High School. Good luck.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!